This is a galette with Azuki paste and matcha almond cream filling. The Azuki paste and butter go well together, so it turned out delicious. Let me introduce you these ingredients. 20 grams eggs, 20 grams almond poodles, 20 grams unsalted butter, 20 grams of sugar, and 3 grams of matcha, green tea, 200 grams of Azuki paste, or frozen spices. I use an 18 cm tart dish. First, I make the matcha almond cream. The butter is softened by letting it come to room temperature. Mix with the sugar. Add the eggs a little at a time and mix. Once mixed, add the almond poodles. Mix in the matcha. The almond cream is ready. Place the pie seed in a tart pan. Cut off the edges. Place the Azuki paste on the pie seed and spread it evenly. Top with the matcha almond cream and spread evenly. Cover the top with the pie seed and trim the edges. Make a decorative pattern. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 50 minutes. It's ready to bake. The combination of Azuki paste, matcha green tea, and butter is delicious. In our house, Azuki beans are often sold, so my son gets tired of them and don't eat them very often. But this sweet was big hit for him. If you're good at making sweets, please make this Azuki green tea galette del and give us a picture of it in the comment section.